I am lucky to be here because it's my passion to work with something that, as I'm doing it, I feel myself. Something that is having the sense of me. Doing something that I'm passionate about brings me aliveness, because I have the creative side of me that wants to explore and understand. And here I am doing that. I see myself having this place in life now. It's a very amazing process because it really makes you in touch with who you are, as well understand. And in understanding, you feel purposeful, and it makes you alive. I see it in myself. I am cultivating that parts of me together and becoming the whole, the fulfilled person I always wanted to be. I'm in the process, work in progress. From this process, I believe I taken in the ability to have the confidence, the believe in myself, that I can do more, that I can be able to help others with their issues, whatever that is, because I can relate to that. And from understanding myself and being able to put a light on where there is dark spaces, I'm able to do that with others. Ritu is the best teacher I've ever come across. I feel so grateful, so touched, so touched by her being there and making everything beautiful, simple, easy, energized. There is an energy behind everything she do, and it's a positive and beautiful, containing energy that makes everything is amazing. I'm tuned in during the whole class, tuned in, fascinated, alive, and I feel good. Also, the group of people around is like a gift from God to see how we are all connected and how we are all having our own differences, but yet we are have many things in common. People who are aware. It's beautiful to have them around. They are this sense of understanding is very valuable to me. Understanding and appreciating where we are. We all have this in the same level. We all are working with it, and it feels good.